Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to delete your Facebook account on iPhone. So the first step is to open Facebook and then head over to the menu on the bottom right of the screen. Click on the menu and then click on settings and privacy and then click on settings. Here it will show you a account center bar. Click on see more in account center and there you go. It will open the account center. Now click on the search bar on the top right corner of the screen and search delete, and as you can see deactivation and deletion. Click on it and click on the account that you want to delete. So in my case it's my Facebook account. I will click on it and I will select delete account. I will click on continue and it will ask me that all my pages will also be deleted. I will click on continue and here it will ask me to select the option of the reason that why I am deleting my account. So I will just click on any reason, continue, and then continue. So if I fill out my password here, my account will be deleted. So that's it.